Good morning, folks. Today, Monday, 15th February, and 10 o'clock in the morning, I'm at McKnight LRT station at the northeast going downtown, and it's extremely cold. It says minus 20, but the wind chill it feels like close to minus 30. So let's see how it goes in downtown. I will take this train to go to downtown Calgary. It's family day, long weekend in Canada, so I'm wishing all you friends to have a happy family day. I'm at downtown right now, and this is a unique shot I just took this morning. The CP rail entering in the heart of downtown. Oh my god, I love this shot. I hope you will like it too. I am walking westbound on 9th Avenue and intersection 4th Street Southeast, facing the Calgary Tower. The train is on my left hand side, and I'm facing Canadian Music Center, National Music Center. It calls Studio Bell. Studio Bell is a newly built architecture. Uh, the construction started around 2013 and it completed by 2016. And you know how much it costed? $191 million. It's a beautiful building. It's like a music museum. If you love music, if you want to know the history of the music or and some concert also sometimes every now and then, you can visit this building whenever you come to Calgary or Calgary downtown. You see that brownish building coming in front of me? That is a very old and historic building of downtown Calgary. It was a hotel called King Edward Hotel, and it was built in 1905 to 1910. Then it got refurbished now, and it turned into a restaurant and bar and restaurant, and it calls Hotel Eddie. It's a very popular place. Summertime, I still hop in there sometimes for a drink. King Edward Hotel nicely adjacent to the Canadian Music Center. My friends who already subscribe to my channel, I would like to thank you again. Thank you so much. And who are very new to my channel, today for the first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It would be a big help to my channel, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.